In this video, I will be showing you how to set an image as a background in Google Docs. Once in Google Docs, all you'll need to do is go to the top navigation bar in the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Insert. After selecting Insert, you're going to select Watermark. Once you have selected Watermark, you're going to go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to tap on Select Image. After tapping on Select Image, you're going to tap on Browse, or you're going to source the image that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this image as my background image. I'm going to tap on Open. After you have done that, you can see a sample of how it looks right there. And you're going to tap on Scale right here. And all you'll need to do is go to 500%. And you can see that it takes up the entire page. Or if you would like to cut it down, you could cut it down to 200, or you could cut it down to even 400 or so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Done. And if it is a case that you would like it to be faded, you can tap right there. But I recommend that you select Faded and then you'll tap on Done. And that's it. As you can see right there, that's how to set an image as your background on Google Docs.